Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install Canva application for your Windows, and it doesn't matter Windows 10 or 11. So what you are going to do is click here in the search bar, and then you are going to search for store, and then you will find here Microsoft Store. You just select this one, and then in the search bar you are going to type Canva. You search, and here as you can see you will find the official application, and it is completely free, and make sure to install the official one. You just select it, and then simply you just click on install button, and that's it. After that automatically the application will be installed, no settings to change or to do. And once it is downloaded, if you can see it here in the desktop, you just click on the search, you search for Canva application, and when you find it, you just can simply right click and you choose to create either shortcut to see it here in your desktop, or you just pin it to the taskbar and you will find it here next to those applications. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.